Welcome back to another episode on the Three Pedal Devils channel. Today I'm working on some mini trucks. Look at this fucking beauty. I started soaking them down. It's got some Geo Metro seats in it instead of the bucket. So this one here was full of rat shit. Nice enough. The previous owner vacuumed it out for me. Who needs rockers? Oh, and when I say good frame, you know, good frame. But oh. Yep, can't forget that. And then this is the truck with the body that I'll be swapping. This is actually pretty damn clean body. It's got the bench in it, both 5 speeds. Both have like around the same mileage. It's like 200,000 or something crazy stupid. But yeah, that's that. So I'm going to make a little more room for this truck and roll it in here, and then start tearing it apart. Hopefully this is turns out to be a pretty cool series. There we go. Because I'm excited. I'm sick of driving the 05 Pontiac Vibe that we have. So I'm excited to finally drive something else. It's probably not even gonna be cool. But like, I hate the vibe so much. So to me, it's worth it.
Like a razor lipstick, and I risk it instinct. She sucking my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like a dipstick. Ooh, yeah, she on me like a misfit. Like a razor lipstick, and I risk it instinct. She sucking my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like.
I got the 4 bolts out of the front 2 seats out, and then the back 4 along here I am soaking some liquid wrench. So while those are soaking, I'm gonna start taking the doors off. Figure I'd give a little update before I get too carried away here, but the only power that goes to these doors is the speaker wire. So pull the speaker out, unplug this speaker wire, just comes through there. Can't really see it, but comes up along here. Pull that out, and then rip the door off, and I'll do the same thing to the other side, and then hopefully we can get these bad boys off. All right, quick update. I got both the doors off and the passenger side seat out, but I ended up rounding off one of the bolts to the driver's side seat in the rear. Just stupid. So this guy here rounded that off, so I'm probably just gonna cut it off. I might even just cut this because I'm not using these. These seats came out of a Geo Metro, I believe, and they were mocked up to be in here. The original one, I guess I can show you quick. Turbo! The original one has a bucket seat. Oh, I guess I already showed you in the beginning. Huh, whatever. But prefer the little mini bucket seat. I think that's way cooler than the Geo Metro seats, but whatever, each is their own, I guess. So yeah, doors are off. Sitting right here. Like I said, pulled the speakers, and then I actually ended up having to cut the wires because they had connectors on them, and they didn't fit through the hole through the door. It was really small, so I just snipped those. Pulled the wire through, and yeah, now the doors are open. I guess I'll fight around with that, but I'll try to get that out. And then we will locate all the cab bolts, and I will soak those in some PB Blaster, and hopefully that helps, because everything on here is pretty crusty. But the seats were pretty crusty. The seat bolts were crusty, and I blasted those, and about 30 minutes they pretty much just threaded right out. So that stuff helps. So we'll try to tackle the seat. Otherwise, I'll probably just fidget around and maybe bumper fenders, hood or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll start pulling the other interior panels there, like the dash and everything. Not really sure yet. So got the fenders, hood off. Seat's still in there. Probably end up cutting that bolt out maybe tomorrow or something, but it was getting kind of late. Didn't want to make a bunch of noise. So got the hood off, fenders off. Basically, this wheel liner is held in by one more push clip down there, but yeah, it was crusty. Oh, I got the cowl out as well, front bumper, all that fun stuff. So I think I'm pretty much gonna call it here for this video. It's getting dark out. Yeah, I'd like to pull the rest of the stuff out of the cab and then get the cab all ready to come off, and then we'll well, almost ready, and then I'll pull the motor, you know, drain coolant, everything, pull the motor, and then get the guys over here, and hopefully we can just use our muscle and lift the cab right off the frame. That'd be nice. And then after that, I'll probably move on to the box, pull the box off, and then it'll just be all prep of the frame itself. Want to paint it, get it all nice, so then when I take apart the other truck, pull the body parts off, then I can slap it on this frame and start driving it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more of the Toyota pickup videos.